Hola a todos, espero que estén muy bien. Bueno, en este video vamos a ver minutos de películas y series de Disney para dedicar cuando quieras dar un consejo.
Ow! Jeez, what was that for? It doesn't matter. It's in the past. Yeah, but it still hurts. Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it.
The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. Sir, you don't meet a girl like that every dynasty.
Oh, Hannah.
Huh?
Hey, get away from her.
No! What did you say?
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
gets left behind.
or forgotten. Yeah.
Sometimes it's better to be alone.
What do you mean?
Nobody can hurt you.
Yeah, this ain't gonna be pretty. But don't you worry, okay? Things will work out. We started this thing together, and that's how we'll finish it. I promise.
It's you gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
No, I didn't know it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You failed!
And it was awesome.
Exceptional!
Outstanding!
I've seen better!
From failing, you learn. From success, not so much.
If I gave up every time I failed, I never would have made the meatball cannon.
I never would have made my fireproof pants. Still working out the kinks.
Like my husband always says.
Change is good. Yeah, but it's not easy.
If you focus on what you've left behind, you will never be able to see what lies ahead. Now go up and look around.
Gracias por ver el video. Si te gustó, no te olvides de suscribirte, dale like y activar la campana.